You guys have a million options, right? The world is your oyster. When you graduate high school, you can do just about anything you want to do if you're willing to work hard enough. One of the options you have might be college, but it might be an apprenticeship through the union skilled trades.
Good morning. I am Dr. Keith Morrison. I'm the assistant principal at Fordson High School. But more importantly, I'm excited and delighted to be here with Schools for Tools. It's a program where they bring different apprenticeships, different skills, trades, and bring them to the school. So whether it's welding, whether it's carpentry, an assortment of different skilled trades, they bring them there, have hands-on activities, imitation of what the students will experience. They'll put the headsets on and they'll see the virtual view of how it is when they're building a skyscraper and also how it looks from the ground up. They're building the imagination in their minds for a future career, because we want the students to know that they don't need to get into a school, they need a school that gets into them.
This program is designed to let you know that after you graduate high school, you have options. Being a carpenter, being a welder, being a heavy equipment operator, all these are building skilled trades. And what they offer you is they offer you an opportunity to make a really good living, have health insurance, have benefits, right? These are things that allow you to enjoy a nice, prosperous life. Does everybody know what an apprenticeship actually is? An apprenticeship is how knowledge has traditionally been passed down from one generation to the next. So what we have to kind of expose this to you so you understand some of the things that we do, we have all these hands-on activities in here. We've got a pretty cool trailer outside that is all tricked out with virtual welding, augmented reality stations, virtual job site tours, so all kinds of cool stuff.
Get locked in, put your pressure. You don't gotta go fast. You just want to do it right.
It's a very great experience. I get to test how good my welds are. Yeah, it's just like a really cool experience to see what you want to get into.
The apprenticeship is free. When you start in the apprenticeship, you get paid every single day that you go to work. That's the most important part a lot of times. One of the things that deters a lot of people from going to college is they're like, I don't have $8,000 a semester for books and tuition, plus what it's going to take me to live, right? With this program, you go to work every day, even though you're just starting off, you're a first-year apprentice, you get paid to go to the job sites. You get paid to go to school.
For every 5 people retiring, we have only 2 coming in. There's tremendous opportunities. The ability for them to build a career without college debt is a reality in all skilled trades.